const router equal with require, we need require. Of course, we're gonna put express dot router. No, this router, we want the capital router. What happened? Ah, not inside. What I'm doing? My parent came just now and I can't concentrate. They came for work. So require dot, we need the router, right? Now we need to create a register so we are gonna say router dot post. We got the register, cool, we got it. And let's create a fat arrow function right now, guys. Well, res, we are not going to create it right now, but we want to see that it works. So res.send register, right? We'll copy. This is gonna be the login, right? And finally the verify. We want to verify it. So router.post, we have to put the login, right? Login. Let's create the verify, right? Right now, let's see, we got problems, yeah, because we have to module, we have to export it equal router. Beautiful, yes, we got it. Now let's see that all these things are working. Login, we have now get, we don't have experience anymore, we need the user, and then let's see, don't remember what I got. User and register. We don't have yet, we have post. Let's go to post. Register, okay, this route works. We want also the login. Let's see the login. Login, cool, and verify. If I put the verify, nice, we got all. So of course we are not going to create this inside, it's gonna be a house. We are gonna create a controller here. So guys, let's create a user ctrl. So user ctrl controller.js, right? And now, and what we need right now, we need const user, we need the schema here because we are gonna use it. With schema equal with require, we need dot, okay, we want the models, and of course the user model. Right, we got it. I forgot, because guys, we are gonna use JSON Web Token. We need something else. So let me control clear. Yes. We need to install something. We need guys to install the big crypt, which is a way to store passwords. So npm install big crypt, a way to encrypt a password with this way. Okay, we are gonna see it right now here. Right, we got it, big crypt. Nothing else, right? Let's go. Now we need const big crypt equal with require big crypt. Cool. Const, we want gwt, which is JSON Web Token, in order to, yes, we need JSON Web Token. Now I'm gonna show you another way to create here a specific function. Const user ctrl equal, okay, we create an object and we are gonna create inside methods. This is the register. So register user, and we need the async right, rec res let me see, yes. Now let's go here, user root res.send. I'm gonna copy all this, cut user ctrl, paste this, right, register. We need right now the login. So login user. Let's go to user root. I'm gonna take this, cut, and write async after, paste it, right. Let's go to put a comma. It's very important to put comma, like here. We need here the verify, right. Let's write the verified token. Let's write also async, go here. Let's take all this, cut, right, and just put it here. Right, now cool, we want module dot exports equal user ctrl. We want to export this, which is this, right? It's a little bit different method. We could just put it easier, guys, like remember like this. Okay, we can create it with exports like this. Let's copy, don't do anything, control copy, right? We could do something like this, okay? But we are not going to use this. We use a different little bit method. You can use this method if you want, right? You can just put here let's see, registered user, copy. You could just put exports registered user and write here all the things like we did. I'm gonna do a little bit different method. So let's make a little bit space, not to be so close. Let's import right now this inside a loop. So const user ctrl equal me with require. Let's put here dot. We need the controllers and then the user ctrl, right? Cool. And now here what we are gonna do, we need the user ctrl dot. Look, we already, when we put the dot, some options comes. The first one that we need is the register user, then user ctrl, again the same. Here we need of course the login, where is login user, and here guys we need what? Of course the verify token, right? Let's see if all this works right now. Let's see, register user, login user, verify user. Let's see, we have verify. Let's send, and it seems that we got problem. Let me see why. I got it, because we stopped the server here. So npm run server, and now it's gonna start. So we don't have problem. Let's push verify user, right? If I put register, let's see, register user, and finally we need the login. Login user, cool, 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 you are cool. So let's close this, and we are going, okay, don't want it here, we are going to deal right now with the register. Okay, we already brought the schema here, so let's start and deal with the register. Let's put first of all, or we are not going to put the try catch right now in the end. So we need the const. We need all the body here of the register of the model, okay? Const. We need the user name, okay, also the email, and finally the password, which will be equal with rec.body. Right? We take all this, the username, the email, and the password. Right. After this, we need const user equal await user schema. Yes, no use user schema. Where is here? We need to find one. Find one. We need the email. We need the email. Okay. Why? Because we want to do something right now. Okay. If user, what does it mean? If the user, if the email in reality exists, we want to return something which res.status .json, right? And here is gonna be a message which is gonna say what? That email already exists, right? Okay. Right now, res.json user. So let's try and create something here. We need a post. Here we are gonna use the register, right? We need the username, correct? It's gonna be, let's say, Audi. We need also the email, which is gonna be audi@mail.com, and of course let's make a password, which is gonna be user user1. Let's try to register, and we got problem. Let's see. Yes, because we are not taking anything. So we have react.js. We are gonna create right now, guys. Create big password and then we want to update the schema. schema. Right, let's do it. We need a const password hash equal with await decrypt dot hash. It's gonna convert it in 10 code. Const new user equal with new user schema. Let's put username. It's gonna be username, right? We need the email. It's gonna be email, and the password is gonna be the new password that we created, the password hash. Okay, in reality the password that already exists, that we created, is gonna be changed here in this encryption. Await new user dot save. Let's see, now it's gonna be saved on database. And let's see, rest.json is gonna be, we want the message which will tell register success. Also guys, let's go to env. I'm gonna create a couple of things here. We need a token secret is gonna be, let's for example put whatever you want. Okay, we don't care. Also create from now, we don't want to deal letter, node env. This is for a letter when we are going to deploy on Heroku. So let's write production. Alright, close it right now, we don't need it. Sorry, we don't need comma here. Now close it. Right, let's see now what happened. Register success. Let's see. Okay, we got password, email, and username. Let's try to. We are doing a post request. Here we need a row, also JSON. Okay, we got it. Let's. There is a mistake. Let's see. Let's see where the mistake is. Post register. Right, we got username. Why? I can't understand. I know. Because we need to put here user. I forgot. Right now we must be okay. Register success. Let's see right now, guys. If I go to let me see, MongoDB. Mongo. We are going to see a register. Come on. Okay, collections. Let's see where is users. I put users here. Yes, users is what we had. Yes. Okay, we got the user. Okay, the name. Let's create another user right now. Where is? Go to Postman. Just write body. Let's say Sarah. I'm gonna put Sarah user 2. Right. If I push, look, register success, and we can see Sarah right now. If I reload, and we got it. Now look, if I try right now to send again, look, email already exists because we try to find something by email. If this email exists, it's gonna tell us email already exists, and it is not going to be sent in MongoDB, right? This is what we created. Look, const user await user schema find one. If we find the email is the same, if the email is the same, we want this email already exists. Alright, we finished with login. Right now, let's okay, we got this. I'm gonna take, let me see, I'm gonna take all this and make try catch. I'm gonna paste it here, and here in catch I'm gonna put return press dot status 500, which it means that there is problem with the server, and we want a message to be appeared, which it says message, let's say. We are okay with the register. Use a CTRL with a register, right? Right now we are going to deal with the login.